Social stories are must-have tool for children on autism spectrum because they help bridge the gap between their unique way of understanding the world and our complex social expectations around them. Here's why they are so important. Make social situation predictable. Children on spectrum often struggle with uncertainty and unpredictability. Social stories explain what to expect step by step. In a situation like going to doctor, playing with peers, starting school, now this will help them to reduce their anxiety and build their confidence. Social stories can help teach social norms and behavior. Autistic children may not intuitively grasp unwritten social rules like personal space, turn taking. But social stories clearly outline these rules in a way that's so damn easy to understand, often using visual support and simple language. Now, another reason why we should be using social story would be it supports transition and new experiences. Transition like moving to a new classroom, meeting a stranger or a new person, or trying a new activity can be so overwhelming for our children. Social stories prepare children in advance and giving them time to process and adapt, which leads to a smoother transition and fewer meltdowns. It encourages self-regulation. Social stories can include coping up strategies for handling big emotions like anger, sadness, or fear, helping the child to learn how to manage their feelings in a healthy way. It promotes independence by explaining daily routines and expectations like brushing teeth, brushing your hair, packing a school bag. Social stories empower children to be more independent and reduce the need for constant adult intervention. It can support communication and language skills. Many children with autism are visual learners. Social stories use pictures, simple text, which enhances language development and reinforces understanding of abstract ideas. Social stories can also help us build our children's self-esteem. When a child successfully navigates a social situation after reading a social story, it boosts their confidence and self-worth, a critical component of their emotional development. Now, these social stories can be customized for the individual needs. Like every child is different, social stories can be personalized to reflect child's challenges, language level, and their interest, making them highly effective too. For example, if your child struggles with haircut appointments, a social story around this, like going to the hair salon, can explain who they will see, what sounds to expect, what tools will be used, what they can do if they feel scared. This removes the fear of unknown.